Hey everyone, come on! Today I'm taking you to a real greenscape, just outside Rio de Janeiro. We're at the Jericinó Natural Park, here in Nilópolis. This place is perfect for hiking, walking, and getting immersed in nature. If you are coming from Rio by station, it's about a 45-minute drive. From Galeão International Airport, the trip takes around 40 minutes, super accessible for anyone looking to enjoy a different kind of adventure. Here, you'll find well-marked trails, fresh air, and the perfect setting to relax, or even train your endurance. The Jericinó Natural Park is a protected area, so expect plenty of greenery shade and the peaceful sound of nature. Now, some important tips. Wear comfortable clothes and proper hiking shoes. Bring water, a light snake, and insect repellent. Sunscreen and a hat are also essential, especially on hot days. This park plays a crucial role in conserving ecosystem, protecting biodiversity, and ensuring that future generations can enjoy green spaces. By visiting and respecting nature, we help preserve this vital environment. And the best part, this paradise is open every day from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. So you can enjoy nature without any rush. So, if you're looking for a different kind of trip, surrounded by greenery and away from the city rush, you already know. Add the Jericinó Natural Park to your list. And of course, if you like this tip, give it a like and share with your adventure buddies. Let's keep exploring and protect nature. See you on the next micro adventure. Bye.